you all and welcome back to my channel. My name is Vidhi and for today's video I thought to come here and introduce myself to you guys. Also, I'll be painting this cute little piece here using oils. This is just a easy little floral art using like free brush strokes and nothing very difficult. So I'll be sharing the whole process with you and I hope you enjoy this video. So let's get started. So before we begin to paint, we'll grab everything we are going to need while painting, including a canvas board. So I start by cleaning my canvas and after that I lay in the oil paints. The colors which we are using today are titanium white, crimson lake, vermilion hue, a new color called flesh tint, then viridian, sap green, cadmium yellow and lemon yellow. We can also use some mineral spirits in order to clean the brushes like turpentine. Also, I'll be using linseed oil to make the consistency of colors thinner. And lastly, just a rough cloth to clean the brushes. So we'll begin the painting by quickly underpainting it. I underpaint my paintings using acrylic colors. So the colors which I am mixing today are red along with the white. And this gives me this pinkish shade. Talking a bit about my color palette today, I'll be using earthy tones like browns, deep greens, yellows and some delicate pinks. I think this colors gives the perfect charm for a floral masterpiece. First we'll start by the background, which is using greens, and I'm using viridian green along with white and a little bit of sap green. I'm also going to be using cadmium yellow, but we'll do that later on. Now moving on to the flowers, I'll lay in using crimson lake and white. I'll just lay in the strokes for the flower. So after that first layer is dried, we are going to lay in another layer of the same strokes, but this time the color will be a little lighter. So after these layers are applied, we are going to move into the highlights and the shading for the flower in order to get that 3D effect, or means so that just the flower doesn't look a bit flat as it was looking earlier. So now using a little darker shade using Crimson Lake, and also I have tried a new shade here which is copper, and that also gives a nice touch to this. So using these two colors, I'll add in the highlights for this flowers. So that was the whole process of me creating this cute little piece. I hope it was helpful and you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you have any thoughts, please share them in the comment section. If you would like to see more of my content, then hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.